Daylight fraud. I can't see that. Oh God. Crazy. Exercise. So much. Good morning, love. Today I'm living in Manchester, guys. Thank God I checked my train yesterday. I thought it was 2 p.m. It's actually 2k. It's actually 12 p.m. That's why I missed that train, and that train is so expensive. I want to lose this stuff. Normally, if I'm going somewhere for, I tend to like take 2 or 3 hours, but this time I'm taking just one because me, I don't even have energy. Guys, I want to ask a question. Am I the only one that is looking for Caesar? Because I feel like if I catch Caesar, you know, it says in the Bible, give what belongs to Caesar, and give what belongs to God. But be like, say I will give what belongs to God, and take what belongs to Caesar, because it's like I want to go and rob Caesar. I'm tired. I actually tried with this coils. Let me see. I hope it comes out nice, okay? Why does it look like I look crazy? Or is it just me? I don't even have energy to tongue anything, to straighten anything. Yeah. Damn. How far? The nations are waiting. The people are hungry. The master is in me. So I bless my Jesus. Is the one you have. Oh my God. This thing is pulling from my hair. What is happening? You see my hair is gone small. Let me walk here by. I don't want to straighten it. I don't want to tongue it. I don't think I have the time. I feel like it's okay now, right? I really want to go and see Caesar. I feel like I think I'm the only one that really wants to collect something from Caesar. It's in the Bible. Take what belongs to Caesar, and what belongs to God. But for me, I will give God what belongs to him. And if I see Caesar, if I catch Caesar, I want to rob Caesar. If I catch Caesar, oh God, if I catch him, this video that I'm posting now is what I will do to Caesar.
Now you, Abby. Now you, come back here. Now you.
So the weather is actually very hot. The weather is extremely hot, and I don't even know. I wanted to wear a sweatshirt, but the weather is really hot. I'm even confused because I'm cold. As much as I'm hot, I'm having cold. I'm still having cough. So you know, tell me that my wig is at the back. I just moved it to the back like here. So this is okay, yeah. So let's go together. My first time going to this city. I hope it's not really cold there. Please, God, down there. There's this song trending. And the moment to call, and the moment to call. Hey, dun 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 dun. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I had to throw on my jacket. Like immediately I came out, I started sneezing and it's crazy so bad. Since that I did not do video, people did not know that you trouble. Anyways, then I go outside, I started sneezing like so. I'm on my way to the train station now. I think I'll get there in about. Bro, it's very odd.
Welcome aboard this northern service to Sheffield.
I don't even
The
understand.
next
What
station
is it?
stop is Hull.
You guys, I think you can hear me now. Still, this thing on my head, I don't understand why it's here. It's been here for like 5 days now. I feel like this thing added to why I was sick because it was giving me serious headache. I was giving me a serious headache and oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is so cute. Let me show you. You can see me here. So that's it. You can see me here. So that's it. So when I got to the bus station, when I got to the don't let me sorry, when I got to the train station, the train at Crescent wasn't working, so they put me in a connecting train and connecting bus to Manchester Piccadilly. Normally, I'm supposed to take a train from Crescent to Manchester Piccadilly, take a connecting train to Sheffield, then take another train to where I'm going to. So the bus just took me straight to Manchester Piccadilly, and I'm supposed to move by 12, but I couldn't because when I saw my ticket, they were like, oh, I can go anytime I want. There is an open ticket. I can go anytime I feel like going. And so I actually wanted to get snacks. I'm hungry now. I wanted to get snacks, but I didn't get it because I was like, oh, after I print out my ticket, I'm going to go buy the snacks. But I couldn't get it. So I just took a train that was available immediately. Like the Sheffield train was moving. So I just took it. I was like, I can't be staying in the train station for more than an hour. I did plan to do that. I would have just stayed inside my house, you get. So I just took it. So I'm gonna get there earlier than I planned to. And maybe when I get to Sheffield, I'll buy something to eat. I feel like I've eaten too much already. So maybe when I get to Sheffield, I'll buy something to eat. And I also have banana bread. I feel like I'll eat that. Yeah, so that is better. Ciao. My wig don't shift. So I'm at Leicester now. Hold up, please pardon me. I kept calling it Leicester, but it's actually called Leicester. I'm sorry. Now, guys, Leicester is so beautiful. I've not even gone inside like the city center, and I'm already seeing the beauty. Come on, I thought it was just Manchester that was that fine. Because when I went to London, oh, Leicester is fine. It's giving fresh air. It's giving breeze. I just left a cage. Oh my god, guys. I hope I'm able to like tour around this place and show you guys, but I'll soon end this vlog because I feel like this vlog is already becoming very long. Let me just show you guys how Leicester is because it's so fine. Guys, I just love the way it is. It's not like there's anything different from Manchester, but at least you can see what I mean. See the tall buildings. They're so beautiful. Oh, so nice. Guys, so I just got to my destination and I'm feeling so cold. My my throat is really burning, and you know I said I have cough, so it's like coming down here. The cough got worse and I don't even know. I've been drinking water since, so now I want to eat. Like I want to try to order something and eat. I'm going to show you like the room maybe later. So I hope you guys are liking this video because I feel like, why is my wig like this? I feel like this video is so long. It's so long. Like I really want to be making long video for you guys. Yeah, I know that's what you want, but it's not easy. But anyways, Leicester is fine and it's calm. I've not really entered the city center. I think I'll do that tomorrow next. I'll just show you guys. Yeah, I just came here to rest like I said earlier, so I'll show you guys if I go to the city center. I think I really want to go to the city center maybe at night. Yeah, so please, I hope you really like this video. Please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, comment, share the video, show love, please. My sunshine, show love. Okay, I don't know, I feel like this is going to be like the last video for this vlog, right? Maybe maybe, but if it's the last video, we'll continue in another vlog. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. Guys, I've been trying so much to order food here. It's so difficult to order. I don't know why. I'm trying to use Deliveroo and Deliveroo is just acting sluggish. Deliveroo is not even acting like Deliveroo. It's just acting so sluggish. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'll go outside to look for something to eat. Yeah, I have to look for something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I just want to eat out. Yeah, so I'll go outside to look for something to eat. I just said, let's come and check in here. If I'm going to go outside, I'll show you guys. If I'm not going to go outside, then that's it. But if I'm going to go outside, I'll surely show you guys, okay? So let's think about it. Let me just check my Google map. I don't know why my hair is. Maybe because I parked it at the back, Abby. What's going on? This say, I'll come in tomorrow very well. I was in a hurry today, so yeah, so I think it's better now. Yeah, so I'll go. What was I saying? Shit. Oh god, what was I saying? Forgotten. I really forgot. You guys should remind me, what was I saying? My lip is so dried. See, my lips is really dried and my hands are ashy. It's giving sawdust. It's giving sawdust. Well, if I'm gonna go outside, I will show you guys later. But if I don't go outside, I'll surely take you guys out tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow honest, but in the evening, because I really want to. I really hey, I really want to rest. Yeah. Oh god, I'm still having cough. It's like I have tom in this my pocket. Yeah, so it was Molola that gave me the tom. The angels are singing, beautiful. My sunshine, you are beautiful. Beautiful. My sunshine, you are beautiful. It be like say as I get cough, and my voice is sweet because my voice now horrible. My voice is so horrible. But it's like because I have cough, it sounds nice. I mean, I beg. I don't want this cough. This cough is coughing. Like this cough is horrible. Please, I don't want cough. I beg. I don't want. I'm going through a lot already. I am going through a lot. Anyways, what do I say? Am I supposed to be looking at this camera or this one? Which one? Let me. Anyways, guys, do you see these pimples? These pimples have been here since on Monday. Today is Sunday. Yeah, more than a week now. It has been here. It has not burst. It does not see. I would have extracted because I have this extractor. I extracted when I was in Manchester, but I don't want it to turn big. I don't want it to be bigger than the way it is now. So I just left it, let it dry myself. And these pimples has been one of the reasons why I've been having serious headaches, like bad as headache. It's among the reasons why I'm even sick. I feel like it's adding to this fever. This thing, it doesn't want to dry. It should dry off now. I don't know for these pimples. I don't know. I just want to speak to you guys. I'm feeling so bored already. I'm feeling really bored. Maybe I should go and I'll go and see a movie. I brought my laptop with me, so I'll go and see. My laptop is my baby. Let me go and miss my laptop. It's actually my baby. And but I need to go and eat because I feel like if I don't buy something to eat, my brain will start acting like it's not functioning. Like anything you tell me, I no go hear. If anybody come in now, I feel no answer or I go to talk nonsense, I go to cap. So I need to go for something to eat, and I'll come see a movie. And there's something that I want to say. Guys, I've been offline for a while now, and I deleted Instagram January 2nd or 3rd. I've been offline, but there's this song that I have been seeing online, and I used to see it on what's this? I don't know. I used to see it on YouTube. Baby many, no. Some people have it. And I bless my Jesus, the one who has done me. I will make Jesus like be many. That song is so nice. Like I love it so much. See, I feel like I'm just here to rant. Yeah. It's not like I want to rant, but I just want to come and complain about something. Please don't mind my hair, I beg. Right now, it's not my hair you should be looking at. So, I'm in Leicester here. Tell me why I ordered for food from Deliveroo. So, Deliveroo says I've never ordered food from them. Like, I've never done it before. I use Uber Eats anytime I want to order food. So, I saw this thing on Deliveroo that first time, order £20. And you get the £12 discount here. So it means if you order for something £20, so you need to order like more because of delivery fee. Then let's say delivery fee is like £2 here, so it will be like £22. Then you spend £10 and you get £12 for free. Tell me why. Because of that, I went to go and order one African food, and I put the code, I put everything, and Deliveroo had the mind to withdraw my £22. Oh yeah, give me my money. Delivery is talking plenty. See the food, you guys. See the food. This. What is this, please? I don't understand, because I feel like if I even go to Enish, I will eat something better than this. I've not tasted it. I don't even want to know the taste of the food because I'm pissed. Like, it's giving broad daylight fraud. It's giving real life fraud. Like, laptop even chat to me. I'm putting the picture here because I'm pissed. I'm already pissed because I feel like I've been cheated. Not like I feel like I have been cheated. What is this? Don't see. I'm someone that if you want to go this way with me. Don't play me. Don't tell me £12 off and I bought something and you remove the and my momo account now where I dey try dispute this money now, they know the answer person because today is Sunday. I'm feeling so odd because the lady is even banking on and she's just talking trash. The food even came. I thought maybe if the thing comes it's going to be something that, oh, you can eat it twice and you think, oh god, what the hell. I feel so bad. This food does It's not about tasting. This food is pissing me off. If I send this food to my friends, they are gonna get. See, if I send this food to my friends, they are gonna be really, really angry because what is this? Kilele, what is this? Even when I cook full soup of efo, we don't spend like this. Okay, we actually spend, but it's like pot of soup. It will make sense past this one. What thing it is? And he say, see people, make I tell na Naija dey learn for this scam something. No, make I no even lie because na so Uber Eats that I even used to buy food from. That's how they played me when I just came to the UK that time. All my friends, they know this gist. I feel so sad. Anyway, I should have told you guys. I should say, let me come and tell you guys because I feel cheated. I feel sad. You guys cheated. I feel cheated. I feel sad. Well, this is the end of this vlog. Okay, please like, share, comment, subscribe, everything. Do it. Tell me everything, please. Okay, thank you. Peace.
I was singing a lullaby to make you sleep so nice. This can only be true.